Are you looking for a 5-room HDB flat in Queen style that comes with 4 bedrooms and just under 7 years old? If you are, stick around because this may be the one for you. But before that, can you help me like this video? Thank you. As you enter into the space, you'll be greeted by this entrance foyer area, and right behind you will be the bomb shelter that serves as additional storage for the house. This living room is something that I think will be the main selling point. Why? Because owner has spent quite a bit on the flooring. These are 600 by 600 Venus tiles from Turkey, and what I love most is the color. You know, there are different grades of tiles, some like travertine and whatnot, but this is actually white color, which actually brightens up the space. In terms of the living area, when you are sitting down at the sofa, right, the width or the length or the distance to the TV is 4.6 meters. This is even after owner has already built the 4th bedroom. So for those that have a bigger family or you need an extra study in your space, the living room is still very sizable. And for those people that like privacy, even though we are situated at the 3rd floor, there's a hedge over here, a line of trees here that serves as a hedge to give you the privacy, because opposite us is actually like a running track. So when people are walking past, right, actually you won't be able to look into your house at all. So in terms of privacy, this unit certainly checks the box and you don't need to worry about peeping toms. For those that love to entertain and you don't really need the 4th bedroom, you can also consider reinstating the living area because this is already 4.6. So just imagine if you reinstate it back to its original condition, you actually have a 6.6 meters width HDB flat in your living room. Imagine how many people you can host at one go, right? And over here, you can see even with this additional room already built up, owner can have the space to have a piano over here and a 6-liter dining area right over there. Just to add on, we have a total of 2 compressors in this unit, so you do not have to worry about overloading. Plus, if you are driving, you'll be glad to know that it's just 100 steps door to door from your car to the house, because this block is directly linked to the multi-story car park. Now, let's go check out the kitchen and the bedrooms. The kitchen is designed with both practicality and flexibility in mind. There's provision for a built-in oven, currently used as a cabinetry and positioned just below the microwave. The large titanium colored sink is another practical highlight for daily use. Welcome into the spacious master bedroom. Currently, owner has housed a king-size bed right here. Originally, the bed should be here and the wardrobe should be over at the other corner, but because owners has actually got infants at home, so they prefer to tuck the bed by the side of the wall. And this were to be my house, right? Right across this wall will be the other room, and you can actually combine these 2 rooms to make it a huge-ass master ensuite. And now I'm going to teleport over to the next room. So I see you over there. I got special power. So this bedroom was the bedroom that I was talking about, directly connected to the master bedroom, just separated by walls. And I prefer to have a larger master bedroom or have a bigger study corner, right? You just have to take down that wall, because if you combine these both rooms, means to say that you will be enjoying cross ventilation, and this side of the window also faces the park connector as well, offering you privacy. Now, let's talk about the location. Connectivity is a major strength here. Queenstown MRT is just a 6 minutes walk. Redhill MRT and the food centre is also within walking distance at about 11 minutes. Daily conveniences are literally at your doorstep. A 24-hour Sheng Siong is just 1 minute walk away, while FairPrice and FairPrice Finest are also within easy walking distance. You're surrounded by eateries and neighbourhood shops, and for those who enjoy an active lifestyle, the nearby park connector allows you to cycle all the way to Changi Airport. See, I never bluff you, right? I took 60 steps to get from door to my car door, so I'm going for my other viewings right now. So if you wish to schedule for viewing, drop us a message and my team will be contacting you. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you at the next week's video. Bye.